All right, so we've got a microwave safe 2-quart casserole, which is bigger than 2 quarts, but that's fine because I think that's what we need.
Here's what it is.
We need your 3 tablespoons of olive oil.
Okay.
Your onion, your green pepper, your carrot, your garlic, your Italian seasoning, salt, and pepper.
All in the dish.
And then microwave it.
There's gotta be a time.
It says microwave on high for 4 to 5 minutes, stirring after 2 minutes.
What's high?
Okay, so here's what our discussion is. This recipe is tested in a 600 to 700 watt microwave.
It's not a discussion.
Our microwave output is 1050 watts, so
60%.
60%, that's what we need to be on. You didn't measure your oil.
3 tablespoons.
he's just now using a chef's eye.
Three tablespoons. All right, microwave it on high.
No, we're not microwaving on high. If we microwave it on
High for a 60 to 90 microwave.
Okay, so we need your
Power level.
Ooh, voila. Power level is 6. Time. What did we say? 4 minutes? 4 minutes. Here we go.
Let the favors meld. Stopping now. Next step. Done microwave. It actually smells delicious.
But it still looks raw as hell.
That's all right. We got a lot more cooking to do. What's the next step?
The next step is put your tomatoes and your tomato sauce, mix well, and crush them with a fork.
Tomatoes. Whole tomatoes and juice. Tomato sauce.
Wow, this is just so much happening right now.
I need a fork.
Here's your fork, but you already pulled out.
Fork. Oh God.
Oh, no.
Look out. Look out. Don't wear your fancy Sunday clothes when doing this.
Yeah, you're definitely gonna have tomato poops on you. Oh.
Yeah.
It's so squishy.
Satisfying.
Let me do it. I want to do it.
Yeah, now you want to do
You
it?
said it's so satisfying. I want to be satisfied.
Damn. Oh, come on.
That one was aggressive. Oh, dude, this is like pooping all over the place.
Oh, Jesus. Come on, get that last one.
Eat it.
Oh, Jesus.
Scrunch it. Okay.
All right, now we have to mix feverishly.
I'm pretty sure that's not what the directions say, but
Yeah.
it's fine.
Mix post haste.
All right. 5 more minutes in the microwave.
All right, round 2. Remember, we're at 60% for all you guys cooking at home. For everybody wanting to try this recipe out a little later. Back in the magical box for 5 minutes.
Yeah.
I mean, that was bad.
Getting those aromas. All right, stirring them shrooms.
Are you going to turn it
It's
on?
on. It's
All right.
going. Adding them shrooms.
Add the mushrooms.
And stir them.
Stir vigorously.
I think we might need to break the tomatoes up a little bit more.
Nope. Break them up a little. We're not getting crazy, goddammit. We're good.
I wouldn't say we're getting crazy. We just need to. I just don't want a fork full of a whole ass tomato.
Maybe that's the best part. Maybe that's how Grandma wanted it.
I mean, sure.
Or wherever this recipe came from.
This is from McCall's, September 1986. This recipe is what, 34 years old?
Good year. I was 5 years old. Place your chicken in.
Skin side down.
Skin side down.
And you want your titty meats toward the perimeter.
Yeah.
The thick meats towards the edges.
Nestle them in there. Oh, it's going to be hard to nestle in here.
Yeah. You got plastic wrap. I'll do the plastic wrap because you got chicken meat hands. Ozzy, get out of my shoe. The dog's in here scraping around inside my shoe.
All right, wrap her up.
Oh boy.
It still
This is
smells
a
good.
very full pan.
It does still smell good.
I'm not saying it doesn't smell good, but
It smells good.
we'll see how we feel.
It smells good.
Okay.
That's how we're going to go with it.
Okay. And they're very specific about their plastic wrap. They want you to cover it But also fold back one corner
Yeah.
to vent. I got uneven.
That's what helps the juices combine.
Yeah, and another piece.
Emulsifications and enzymatic brownings.
Nope.
And
This is not the Maillard.
Maillard.
Yeah, the Maillard reaction. That's what causes things to brown.
Not everything. There you go. One corner back.
All right.
Ready to break our microwave.
All right, will you open the door?
Yeah.
So we're wrapped and vented full of raw chicken.
Make sure you have good health insurance in case you gotta go to the hospital after you eat this.
Or at least the trash can. I don't know.
Cook it for how long we do it for?
I don't know, what does it say? 10 minutes?
Microwave on high. Remember that's 60%.
Yes.
For 10 minutes. Turn the chicken pieces skin side up. And then do it all over again.
But I'm pretty sure we have to spoon the juices on
Yes,
the top.
but so we're going one step at a time.
All right.
We're off.
Here we
We'll be
go.
back in 10 minutes.
Hopefully there's no salmonella waiting for us.
Yep.
Oh, God. Chicken just came out of the oven for
Halfway through cooking.
the first 10 minutes and it's still 100% raw.
Because we're only halfway there.
Bro, that's still 100% ass raw.
We're only halfway there.
It's not 50% raw, it's 100% raw.
We're only halfway there. I'm looking at this chicken juice half full. Somebody's going to be all negative. Now, the hint to this recipe is you guys spoon some sauce on top of things. See that? Get some of them onions, you want some of that flavor, that Italian flavor, that Italian flavor.
This is...
Delicious.
Here, put some more juices on these two, because those are not juicy enough.
So get them juicy, and Amber.
Yeah.
Get them thighs juicy. Alright. Recover with the corner undone. Cook for 10 more minutes.
This is still going to be so raw.
A mere 10 minutes. Because our percentage. Yeah. All them juices.
This makes me feel a certain way that's not good.
Garnish with parsley.
I don't have any fresh parsley.
I didn't say fresh parsley.
Oh, we're going to garnish it with dry parsley?
I don't think we have dry parsley.
I'm pretty sure we do.
We'll see. We're going to use Italian seasoning. Still bubbling.
Yeah. Don't... Oh, look at you with your fancy parsley sprinkling sitch.
Serve with your favorite Chianti.